guys, such a wonderful opportunity to be here once again today, and we are going to be looking at this particular snake leather braid. I've taught us how to actually create some braids before, but today of course we're going to be looking at that one. This was the regular one I taught us before. You can check it out on my channel, it's right there. But today we are going to be looking at this. My name is Adurole Mojibala, and all we do is make shoemaking easy and simple for you. Don't forget, if you're watching us for the first time, do subscribe to our channel because you're going to be learning so much so that you are going to be surprised at the results you produce from what you are actually learning. So don't forget to also share, don't forget to also subscribe. I'm going to be right back. All right, as you can see, this particular one is also 5 straps, and then you will observe that the braid is different. I have a video on how to actually braid that normal braid, but this is more like a snake skin braid. That's what it looks like. So it's going to be 5 strap. You can use 5 strap, you can use 6 strap. So your first strap is going under the next one, is going under the next one. So what you do is that one will go under 2 of the next one again. Please, I'm just trying to show us the beginning of this, then you let it go on top of the last one, and that is what you have right here. So again, you're going to pick it, that same one will go under 1 and then climb over 2. I don't know if you can see. As you can see, you find out that I have 3 on one side, I have 2 on the other side. So I'm going to pick this one, it will come on top. That side will be 4 and this one will be 1. So the next thing is put it under the first one and then it goes over 2. That's the difference between this one and the other one that I've taught us before. That other one, it goes over 1, 1, 1. But this one is totally different. You just want to make sure that one part has 4, the other part has 1, for you to go through the process of, one strap going over 1, then one strap, the same strap going over 2, and then you continue like that. So like you have 4 here, it will go under 1 and climb over 2 of the straps. You can see that it's 2 straps it's covering. So the 2 on this side too, you will just fly it over to the other side that has 3 straps, and then you are good to go. Basically, that is the way you're going to run this continually until you are finally through with the process. And I want you to know that if you want to check out to create the regular one, of course I will put the link in the description or in the comment section. I'm going to suggest that if you can't find it anyway, please let me know in the comment section, and I will definitely give you link you up with that particular one. That one too, you can use 5, you can use 6, you can use 7, you can use 8, you can even use 10. This particular one that I'm working on is just 5 straps. And I find out that if you use this, it looks a little bit more unique than that other regular braid type. So let's continue to actually put this over and over and over and over and over themselves again. If you have not subscribed to my channel, you are very wrong, and I'm not going to play with you again. How can you watch this kind of interesting class and all you do is just waka past? Abba now, I thought you said you love me. If you love me, press the like button. If you love me, share this video right away and tell somebody that we are learning simple, easy ways to create, your footwear right at the comfort of your home here. So let's see how it goes before we go to the one that has 6 good straps. Now you can see that there is actually a wide difference between the 2 of them. The other one is the old one, while the one I'm presently creating is the snake, leather braided strap. And then you can see that the pattern is different. The pattern is totally different. I tell you, this is always very unique, whether as your belt, whether as your wristband, or even as your leather upper. You can definitely use this. Now the straps that I use is about a 0.5 centimeter, is about 0.5 centimeter. Each of the strands or each of the straps I use 0.5. So this is for 6. Now make sure the arrangement is 4 by 2. The other one is 4 by 1. This one is 4 by 2. So let's go through the process of creating this one. So when you have 3 here, it's still the normal way. It's going to be normal way. When you now have 4 on this side, let's see what happens. Let it go under, then go over the 2. So the process is still remains. The only thing is that when you're having 3 on this other side, it runs through the normal way, just like the other one that we had 1. So that's just, I think that's the basic, the major difference between this one and that other one. So you just move it. This side is usually 3, strap side is usual. But the other side, which has 4 strap, it will go under the first one, just as usual with the 5. And then it will climb right on top of it. So that is the pattern that you are going to follow, progressively as you create this particular design. And I need you to go ahead and create yours. You can tag me when you post it on Instagram or on Facebook at Jibbyfemforte or Ojurole Mujibola on Facebook. You can definitely tag me and let me see what it looks like. So enjoy this as you look through the process of me trying to complete this particular design. Thank you once again today for joining me, and I still Shoemaking Made Easy tutorial. Ojurole Mujibola. I'm gonna say your time. Bye bye.